and I just want to show y'all what I got. And I'm just so anxious. Yes, like Genuine to wear these pieces, honey. These pieces. She's got pieces in 2020. Woo, y'all. Exciting news. I ain't even had time to put on makeup. I just got this package and I said, let me find the light, let me find the camera, let me press record. 2020 is the year of collaboration for me, and thankfully I have been able to secure my very first partnership with the brand. Really cool, really stylish, really hip, trendy, all of that. From BenGem'N KuL. BenGem'N KuL is the name of the brand. Look at that. BenGem'N KuL. Very nice packaging. I think packaging actually sets a brand, especially an online brand, apart. And one of the things I noticed when I opened this was just like, you know what? I see the branding, you know. I like the packaging. Very durable packaging. It doesn't feel like... And then look, it says, y'all know I'm a sustainable woman. Yes. And I love recycling. And it says here, made of 100% recycled packaging. Please recycle. How cute. First, we'll start with something that's not in the package. This t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt here. This is really, really cute. Texas has bipolar weather. So what I like about this is that it's a very light cotton. It's very light cotton. A very popping color. The color is popping ton. Yes. Orange. I like that on me. I'm very into shirts that are not like just regular t-shirts. Shirts that you can throw on and like make an outfit and you don't look like a slouch. Just by having a t-shirt on, and this definitely does that. Like, it's just like the detail. Look at this. BenGem'N KuL on the sleeve, honey. Branding. Wow, wow, wow. This one is cute. This one is funny, actually. Oh, and look at the tag. I told y'all it's like about the details and the branding. Look at this. Look at this tag. There's a lot of time that has been put into the details. And even the tag of the actual shirt, which is another thing, right? We like that. This shirt says, "Nuck if you buck, boy. Nuck if you buck. Nuck if you buck." Conversation piece. Give me a minute. Come right back. So this one says, crazy, sexy, cool. BenGem'N KuL, that is. See? Yes. Really, really cute. Really, really me. That's one of the things I like about the brand too, is that on the site, there are so many things that I'm just like, okay, that's me. That's me. I want that too. I'm gonna wear that. All of that. So go on there and see what y'all can find. See what you can find. And please, when you order, tell him I sent you. Okay. So, y'all know I like a good hoodie. I love a good hoodie. Y'all know teal is my color. That's why I be on this teal wall like this. Y'all, look at this. Look how cute. Like, absolutely. I love teal. It's almost like that dry fit material. So it's stretchy a little. It's got that give, which means it's not gonna, you know, fit like frumpy. I'm gonna try this on for y'all because I really like this. It's got this pocket right here. It's really something to get into. Like, I really like this. I really like this. The drawstring, the placement of the little bird logo. It's like they sent me the pins to go with them. So these are, I'm assuming, like a yoga pant. Really, really cute. So that's gonna be cute for me. You'll see me wearing my pieces, rocking my pieces. Yes, rocking. Not like a chair, like a G. Rocking. You don't really want to have on what everybody have on in the streets. You want to be cute, but you want people to see what you got on and be like, oh, what you wearing? Get you some BenGem'N KuL. Be a cool again. Peace.